Hello my gorgeous souls, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Provost. Today we're doing something that's really quick and easy, and I love this dish. It's kind of a go-to snack for me, or a meal, or something to, you know, be a side dish. I think it's great. My dad calls it popcorn cauliflower. I don't exactly know why he calls it that, but let's just go with it. I mean, I guess it's a bit better than baked cauliflower, so let's call it popcorn cauliflower. I'm gonna get a whole cauliflower head, which looks like this, and I'm just gonna take off these leaves, and then I'll use my knife. Just wanna get this bit off, so I'm just kinda gonna angle and do like a little wiggle. And it takes it off really easily. All right, so now we have our cauliflower head, and what I'm gonna do, God, it really does look like a tree, doesn't it? It reminds me of, well, obviously broccoli, a living tree because of the greenery, but cauliflower reminds me of like wise old granny, like Grandmother Willow of Pocahontas. That's what cauliflower reminds me of. Like there's so much wisdom here. Or any Lord of the Rings friends out there, it reminds me of the white tree of the Return of the King. Yeah, is that just me? Anyone else? Okay, let me know. So what we're gonna do is really easy. We're just gonna split it up without trying to, you know, make too much mess, because cauliflower does like to drop its little flowerets. I'm gonna get my dish. It's really up to you as to the size. I mean, obviously that one's way too big. So what we're gonna do is I'm just gonna split that one kind of in half, maybe a third. So about that size is good. Kind of bite size, or, you know, bigger than a bite size piece. Now that all the cauliflower heads are in the baking dish, before I pop it in the oven, I'm just gonna season it really quickly. So first things first, salt and pepper. Pink Himalayan salt, of course. Chili flakes. Now, my mama isn't gonna be eating this, so I can go quite heavy-handed on the chili, which I'm really happy with. Do love me some chili. So again, guys, this just comes down to your taste buds, what you like, what you don't like, but since I know it's gonna be my brother, my dad, and I eating this, I'm gonna use what's left in here. We're gonna go to town with the chili. I'm also gonna use two other spices. I'm gonna use turmeric and sweet paprika. So dealer's choice as to what you want to pop on it. I personally love turmeric, it's really good for you, so I'm gonna give it a decent coating with that. Just the color is so vibrant. I mean, look at that. How beautiful is that? And then sweet paprika, I'm not a massive fan of sort of smoked things. I feel like it can be really overbearing and overpowering if you put too much on, and it just kind of takes over the dish. So I find the sweet paprika is just a lot milder and nicer. My trusty mixing technique. A lot of people, and I have been one of them a couple of times in the past, will put all of this in a bowl and put all the spice and olive oil and mix it around with their hands or with a spoon and make sure everything's coated. Yeah, you can do that, but quite frankly, that's another dish and spoon utensil to wash up. So in my mind, you're just making more mess for yourself and more cleaning. You're gonna be dirtying this dish anyway because you're cooking in it. Why not just use it? One pot wonder. Use it as a mixing dish as well. Okay, in the oven we go. Okay, so this has been in just shy of 45 minutes. It's been in about 43, so this is what we've got. Oh, sorry. That's what it looks like. Very hot. You can hear it cooking. It smells so good. Oh my God, I love this dish. It's such a great dish. So there we have it, guys. Popcorn cauliflower, as we've named it. It is such a gorgeous dish. I could literally devour this all on its own. You can also add onion to it. That would be really nice, but sometimes I just like to keep it really plain, simple, and just let the flavor speak without adding too much, and just, yeah, keeping it nice and natural. Enjoy. Thank you so much for tuning in and watching the video, my loves. Please make sure you subscribe down below so you don't miss a thing when I post a new video. Let me know how you go trying out this recipe. I'd love to see your pictures and see the adaptations that you guys do with it and how you make it your own. Enjoy, and I will see you all soon. Sending you all my light and love. Bye guys.